Today here in the Lion's Den, we have lot number 369. This is a CX350, showed up late today. Selling tomorrow, June 5th, Bushnell, Florida. Hydraulic thumb, as you see, everything works and operates. Again, it's just right out of the rental fleet. Should go right to work for you. 5,000 hours, I think about 3,000 working hours. Not a bad machine, a good undercarriage. Hydraulic coupler. Full set of pictures of this machine at lyonauction.com, L-Y-O-N auction.com. Tearing up the grass good, that's for sure. But anyway, you need a good thumb machine. You can bid on this tomorrow, June 5th. Timed auction only. You got time, you can come in and inspect that machine today. LYON auction.com, Bushnell, Florida, Friday, June 5th. Thank you.